Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tin fish samosas. Start by draining and mashing the tin fish, then mix spices, onions, and herbs for a bright filling. Roll out all-purpose dough and cut into squares, spoon filling, fold into triangles, and seal with a flour slurry. Fry in batches at medium-high heat until golden and crisp, drain briefly, then serve hot with chutney and enjoy. Gather canned tin fish, flour, water, oil, and fresh aromatics before you start preparing. Mash fish with onions, cilantro, chili, turmeric, and salt to create a balanced, bright filling. Prepare an all-purpose dough rolled thin for a crisp exterior and make a small flour slurry to seal edges. Keep oil at medium-high and a tray ready for fried samosas to rest briefly before serving to keep them crisp. Hey everyone, quick pause to ask you to subscribe and like if this guide is helping you make better samosas. Quick recommendation: Darn Tough socks have a lifetime warranty and are excellent for long kitchen sessions when you stand and fry. On another note, they keep your feet comfy and dry during prep marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Lay dough squares, spoon the seasoned tin fish mixture in the center, then fold into neat triangles and press the edges firmly to seal. Use a flour and water slurry to patch any gaps and prevent filling leaks while frying. Heat oil to medium-high. Fry a few samosas at a time until evenly golden, drain on paper towels, rest briefly to release steam, then serve hot with your favorite chutney.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.